Welcome to Timeline Chronicles, where we bring history to life. Today, let's explore the story of a city that has seen bravery, battles, and big changes. Kanpur, one of the most important cities in Uttar Pradesh. A long time back, Kanpur was just a small village near the river Ganga. Some believe the city got its name from Karna, who was a great warrior of Mahabharata. Others says it came from Kanahpur, which means a village that slowly grew bigger over time. In 1700, Kanpur was under the rule of Nawabs of Awadh. But in the 1801, the Nawab gave the control of Kanpur to the British. That was the time when big changes began. The Britishers built roads, barracks, and made Kanpur a military base. During British rule, Kanpur became a major industrial city. They built cotton mills, leather factories, and started making army clothes and shoes. It grew so much that people started calling it the Manchester of the East, just like the famous city in England known for factories. In 1857, the Indian soldiers in Kanpur fought against the British. This was called the First War of Independence. The fight was led by Nana Sahib. It was very intense and emotional time. Many people died in battles at places like Sati Chaura Ghat and Bibighar. This was one of the biggest revolts against British rule. After 1857 revolt, the British punished many people, but later they built even more factories. Kanpur became a center of leather, cotton and wool industries. Indian businessmen like Singhania and Jaipuria families also started their own mills. After India became free in 1947, Kanpur continued to grow. But in 1970s and 80s, many mills closed due to bad management and worker strikes. Pollution and unemployment also increased. The Kanpur city started facing many problems. Even with all the struggles, Kanpur never gave up. Today new industries are coming and Kanpur again famous for its leather products. It also has big institutions like IIT Kanpur. The city is slowly growing again. Kanpur's history is full of ups and downs. From being a village to becoming an industrial city, from wars to success, this was the story of Kanpur. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. And comment below to tell us what would you like us to explore next. Till then, bye bye, take care.